In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a money transfer in QuickBooks Online. If you've moved money between your own accounts, like sending funds from checking to savings or paying down a credit card, you'll learn how to reflect that movement accurately so your books stay clean and your reports make sense. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in Google Chrome and signing in. Chrome tends to give the smoothest, most reliable experience with QuickBooks, so it's a good habit to use it. Once you're signed in, make sure you're in the correct company file so the transfer lands in the right place. It's important to know that QuickBooks Online doesn't actually move your money. The transfer already happened through your bank or a payment service. What you're doing here is recording that real-world movement so your accounting records match your bank activity and everything reconciles properly. To enter the transfer, click the plus new button, then choose transfer. This opens a simple form designed specifically for moving money between accounts you already track in QuickBooks. Next, choose the account sending the money and the account receiving the money. Pay close attention to the direction. The transfer funds from field should be the account that lost the money, and the transfer funds to field should be the account that received it. For example, if you moved funds from your checking to your savings, checking is the from account, and savings is the to account. If you pushed money to a credit card to reduce its balance, the credit card is the receiving account. Enter the exact transfer amount and the date it occurred on your bank. Getting the date right matters because it affects your cash balances, your reports, and how easily the transaction will match to your bank feed later. Double check the amount, especially if the bank shows cents or fees. Only enter the amount that actually landed in the receiving account as the transfer itself. When everything looks correct, save the transfer. Saving posts the entry to both accounts so the movement shows as a decrease in one register and an increase in the other. That way, when your bank feed comes in, QuickBooks can recognize and match it, helping you avoid duplicates and keeping reconciliation straightforward. And that's it. You opened QuickBooks Online in Chrome and signed in, noted that QuickBooks records but doesn't move money, used plus new to select transfer, picked the correct sending and receiving accounts, entered the amount and date, and saved it so your records reflect reality. Keep this process consistent and your books will stay accurate and easy to reconcile.